I've cut the hole for the sunroof. Got the sunroof here. Just gone around and prepped this metal up. And I'll just put some black epoxy on this. So I'll stick it to the roof. I'll use an acrylic adhesive. A 2-part acrylic. For the cutout, I just used the original roof cut from the other car it came out of. It's a webasto, a Hollandia webasto 700. Webasto or something like that, I think it's called. Yeah, it's the same sunroof that goes in, I think, VT through to VZ Commodore. Anyway, keep going with it. Just prepped up this sunroof to go in. I just Scotch-Brited around the top edge, epoxied. Just cleaned up underneath the roof with Scotch-Brite. And I'm going to glue it in with this 2-part acrylic structural adhesive. Don't use Sikaflex. So we'll get that clamped and glued in. Or glued and clamped in, I should say. And hopefully it all goes well. I've got that all glued in. Propped up with some timbers just to help hold the force upwards. Should work well. I've done something a bit different to what I normally do with these sunroofs. I've actually plug welded it in as well as the acrylic adhesive. The VL's roofs aren't the strongest, so I thought I might make this a bit more structural by welding the frame in, not just relying on the acrylic. So it seems to work quite well. Just got to grind that back and repaint it, but yeah, it's sitting in there quite nice. So here's the sunroof refitted. It's a bit slow. I think it needs a bit of a service, this sunroof. But I'll look into that a bit later on. At least it's back in the car now and doing what it should. Yeah, so making some progress with the car. Got the kit all fitted on the car also now. I've just got a door on this side I've had to take off. The door actually was twisted. I didn't realise it came off a smashed car. The door looked alright, but when I fitted it, it wasn't lining up right, so I've got another door for it and I'll have to sandblast and get painted. Yeah, making some progress now.